All right, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this wireless microphone. So I recently bought the Rode mic. That was when I was still waiting for this. I placed order for this on AliExpress. So, but since I couldn't wait, I needed the microphone. I got the Rode mic, and I already did a demo or an unboxing of that as well. So let's see what this one look like, what it sound like, and all. So yeah. Okay. This is not looking bad. It's quite affordable, not compared to the cost of the Rode microphone. So let's see the capacity of this microphone. So this design is almost like that of the Rode in the sense that it has two is it receiver or speaker? Yeah, you have two speaker in case you have a guest, you can give the guest one of the microphones. So yeah, this is the microphone, and this is the one you connect to your device. So this is just exactly the same design with the Rode microphone, and these are the things that came with it. So this is, yeah, I like the fact that they brought type C to type C. So the Rode mic, they didn't give me that, and I actually needed it because my iPhone used type C, so I needed to like connect type C to the Rode and then type C to my iPhone. But yeah, these guys came, they brought this, which is cool. And this one also is going to be used when I'm using my normal camera. So this port is going to be useful. So then you can connect this port to this part and this other one to the camera itself and put it on. Then this one is just the charger. So I think everything is complete in the package as I saw on the picture before I placed the order. In fact, I think I love what they did here. So they have like two extra type C here as well. Then this one you can use to charge. So in other ways, you can be charging two of these devices at the same time. You can plug this one and plug the other one using just this USB. Plug this one too, and they can both be charging. Or even this one, any one of them you want to charge, plug it and then they can charge. So let's so in the next, okay, so yeah, well, I might not be using this right now because I have to like start disconnecting my microphone if I want to use this, but I can still try it though. Yeah, we can try it. So so that we can like know the difference between the sound of this mic and the sound of the Rode mic, so we can do that quickly. So let me hope that this is charged. Yeah, so this is one of the microphone. So I'm going to put this on. Okay, and then let me unplug this. I don't need this right now. Then also unplug this. I don't need this right now. That's for charging. So this will go into my phone. So I'm going to connect it to my phone now. All right, so this is the Senxin microphone, Senxin wireless microphone. So you are going to tell me what the mic sound like and which is better. I want to believe that the Rode is going to be better, but let's see what the difference is going to be like. So yeah, this is Sensi. Speaking from Sensi. So when I started, I was using the Rode mic. So yeah, that's it.